Hi, this is Accutek, car audio visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a nice Lotus Elise. We've just fitted a KENWOOD DMF-F920DS into. It's a version 1 Lotus, so the stereo is over on the side here. As you can see here, it does fit in, it is tight, and but at least you can have Apple CarPlay. If I jump in, here we go. So this unit, you've got a home button here, you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio. We put a digital aerial on the back and replaces the original one, and it's got DAB, FM. It's a really nice unit. It's got a camera input as well, so if we were to put it into reverse, which I'll put the ignition on, I'll go into reverse. There we are. So we've got a rear camera as well, which is a real nice feature. If you'd like to have this done in your Lotus Elise, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.